When the power goes out, staying nourished and hydrated becomes a top priority. But with a little preparation, you can turn a potential crisis into a manageable situation. Today, we're diving into how to keep your meals balanced and interesting, even when the grid goes down. First up, the essentials. Stocking up on non-perishable foods like canned goods, grains, and protein bars ensures you have the energy to tackle any challenge. Hydration is key. We'll show you effective strategies for storing water and keeping hydrated without electricity, making sure you and your family stay safe and healthy. Wondering how to cook without power? We've got you covered with safe and practical solutions, from manual tools to alternative cooking methods that keep mealtime interesting. For those extended outages, planning is everything. Learn how to organize your supplies and create a meal plan that minimizes waste and maximizes nutrition. And finally, staying prepared for the unexpected doesn't have to be daunting. With our tips for managing food without electricity, you'll be ready for anything, ensuring that every meal is a source of comfort and normalcy. Ready to turn your power outage prep from just surviving to thriving? Head over to Bountiful Homestead to read the full article, Best Food for a Power Outage. Equip yourself with the knowledge to keep your homestead running smoothly, no matter what comes your way. Click the link in the description for the full article at Bountiful Homestead. Because at Bountiful Homestead, we believe in being prepared, staying nourished, and thriving together. See you there.